YouTube, I'm gonna get straight in with it. So I said garage videos was over. I had one more last thing I had to do was, let me show y'all, because y'all already see summertime, y'all see what I'm doing, which I ain't really want to do this, but I kind of think I had to do it. So let me show y'all the part I got here real quick. So we call this transmission mount. It says made in China, but it's supposed to be from GM OEM. So this is what I'm swapping out today, which I looked at a video. They made it seem so easy, but they had a lift. So anything on the lift up in the air is super easy. With me, oh God, I caught my tail with this one. And hold on, I'm missing something on YouTube for my phone. My muffler came off. Wind muffler. Yeah, so let me kind of show y'all what I had to do real quick, which is a bunch of videos. As I kind of show y'all, this is not a how-to. This is basically what I'm doing. So right up here is the old mount. So we got 2 screws and 2 of these bolts basically holding the mount. So let me show y'all real quick. So you see the 2 nut parts, that's going into the cross member, and that screw basically goes in there. So it wasn't easy getting out because this joint right here, not enough room. Couldn't use no power tools, and I had to do it manually by hand, so you already know. So I got that basically out right now. So now it just really just unfold and try to take this out. So let me see if I could leave the camera angle like this and try to take it out from the other side. And maybe y'all can see what I'm doing. Yeah, so it's a little tedious situation. So bear with me, people. Bear with me. Okay. So let me go around real quick and see how I could get this out. They told me I had to basically kind of roll it and flip it out. So let's see how that gonna work. Hopefully this comes out easy and the new one goes back in easy and I get everything back a little bit easier than it came out. So as they said, this is jacked up. I had to jack out the transfer case. So okay, they was on the money with that one. And basically, okay, it's coming out. And it gotta kind of come out like this. Let me see, make sure. All right, so we got it. Okay, we got it. Now we're just gonna inspect it and see if it's beat up. Okay. So, all right. So this is the old one right here. Basically, actually, let me give y'all some extra light in here, which I'm being selfish right now because I do got extra light. Let me put my light on for y'all. Oh, I can't put my light on for y'all because I got a lot of stuff going on here, but y'all can see what I'm talking about. Hold on, guys. All right, so quick inspection of the mount. So the mount basically don't look bad. Mount look actually pretty decent. The only thing is just the hardware kind of got rusted up, but I can't really, I don't know. The B-mounts is weird. I don't know whether they take stress or whatever. I don't know, but basically it kind of look the same. It's just a casing, hard rubber. But I don't know how long it been here. I don't know if it ever was swapped out. I don't know the history behind it. But we going back brand new. One less thing down I gotta do. And all right, so let's kind of get this back in here. I don't got time to waste playing around with this thing. Let me try to get this back so hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing. And actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna put you on a quick time lapse and let me get this back in, and then we'll see what's up. Alright guys, so this wasn't easy, I'm gonna tell you this now. So if you ever doing transmission mount, they show a video on TRQ. It's maybe easy to do it on a lift, but doing it on ground, it took them maybe like 15, 20 minutes. Doing it on ground is gonna take an hour because you gotta make sure you have the right tools. It's like a whole bunch of different things just to get it this stuff out. It takes a little bit of time to get the bolts out. Took me some time, but I got it. I got everything torqued back. I had to use various torque bars. I had to actually use this one, the 3/8. Couldn't use the 1/2 inch because there was no clearance from doing it from underneath here. So I got the new one installed. Let me see. I know my lighting is garbage right now. Let me see if the light went dead. But it's up here in the cut. New one installed, the 2 bolts in the middle by the cross member is torqued to 40. The other ones inside, I think I torqued it to like 50. It said do a 40 now, but it went to 50, so hey. But it took some time, as I said, but I got it done. That's one thing more on the checklist that's done for Renzel. So transmission mount, the next thing is the motor mounts, which I may have to take it to a shop for that one, because that one I am not getting underneath here and I'm not doing that. So that's not happening. So certain things I can't do in the garage, certain things gotta be done on the lift. So just assessing again the old one. As I said, I don't know if this ever was changed. I don't know. It's dry though. That's a good thing. It's dry rubber. I don't know. When I start driving, I'll see if there's any difference. But it's basically have a metal brace around it. So I don't know if the rubber is. I don't know. I don't really know how this kind of like works. I know transmission shifts, but I don't know kind of how this works in terms of being in the motor. But it's just something that was on my checklist to do. I don't see no cracks or nothing on it, but I don't know in terms of how strong the rubber is, if this was ever changed, which I truly maybe doubt it, but we change it now. So basically I got an OEM, supposed to be OEM, but GM is like they maybe ordered this shit from fucking Amazon or eBay or some shit. And but they got all their stickers and all they whatever, but it did say made, it said made in China. Well, I guess all shits is made in China any goddamn way, but you know, everybody just stamped their logo on it. So, all right, man, I'm done for the day with Renzel, man. Renzel, this is it. Now we ready for the tow, people. We officially ready for the tow. Did the training mount. I don't know, other things I wanted to do maybe was put a drill started rotor, just for more stopping purposes. But the really next major thing I really want to do is just really maybe just the motor mounts. And that's going to be done no time soon. So we gonna rock out for whatever we have, whatever we did. And basically, I am ready to tow again, to haul. Y'all already know, y'all see the box Chevy right here in the cut. We ready to, we ready to put you on the back and see what it do. You know what I mean? To see our thing keep on kind of popping out. And I'm ready to, you know what I mean, have both of y'all out at the same time. And next year is gonna be fun, because next year, people, what we doing, man, we going to Ross next year, if Ross is having one more car show. I was trying to catch it before the car show, because there's a whole bunch of scandals and a whole bunch of things going on with Ross car show. You know how it go, man. They be doing like a good wave of car shows, and all of a sudden they stop. But hopefully he do one more, and hopefully we'll be there. You know what I mean? That'll be epic for the channel. That'll be epic for New York City. That the orange box, me and Renzel made it together to Rick Ross car show. All right, so once again, as I said, I just wanted to put y'all on to what I was doing again. For Renzel was one more garage video for the summer, even though I said the garage videos was done, but I can't help myself. I had to just, you know, do this. All right, so y'all already know this is not a super long video. You know what I mean? Just wanted to keep y'all back in tune with Renzel for the tow. And I think now we're ready for the tow. All right, so if you're new to my channel, my name is Life with Myke LS. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and we catch you on the next video.